This tag match is a one fall. That means only one person can win for their team. Has a 15-minute time limit. That's David Coleman in the ring facing Jeremy Cruz. Jeremy Cruz will oppose David Coleman. Shot to the back of the leg. Knocked down Jeremy Cruz. Up and over, another up and over on the rope. Hips up, oh, not quite. Arm drag by David Coleman. Pulls Jeremy Cruz to the mat. Arm drag by David Coleman. Big elbow smash. We've got another opponent who wants to get involved in this match.
This is not Carlos. Sit with me, that's fine. Yeah.
Boots by Jeremy Cruz on David Coleman. Arm drag twist. Leg sweep. Stomp to the chest. Back drop. Right across the chest by Jeremy Cruz. Rub for the pin. Only on one count. David Coleman ain't beating down that much. Stomp his forehead. Push across the back. Oh, he sits down on that low back once again.
Look at that smile! Look at that smile!
Camel club. Shades of the iron shoes right there. Jeremy Cruz going on to do. Mr. Houston, James Houston tags him in. David Coleman on the short end of the stick for the fresh man. Suplex. Puts David Coleman on the mat. James Houston pulls him up by the ears. Coleman to the top of the midsection. Break across the eyes. James Houston pulling up David Coleman. Drags that face across that top tier and throws him into the boot of Jeremy Cruz. Referee Coleman still back. Ring. David Coleman being held back into the ring by Jeremy Cruz.
That's all it was. I'm helping.
James Houston helping Mr. Coleman back up to a standing position. Tag by Jeremy Cruz, James Houston, fresh man in the ring. David Coleman's been there the whole time. Shot to the midsection by David Coleman. Jeremy Cruz lays one to the side of the head. Leg drop off the second rope. Holds up David Coleman in fetal position. Holy cow. New. Referee New. Shot to the midsection by David Coleman. David Coleman takes another shot across the eyes by Jeremy Cruz. Ryan Reed tries to come in again. Referee holds him back. Breaker by Jeremy Cruz puts David Coleman flat on his back. Mr. James Any action match. David Coleman with a knee. Referee not counting both men down. Neither one of them coming up easy. Ryan Reigns ready to see some action in this match. Jeremy Cruz shot to the side of the head on David Coleman. David Coleman tries to go for a dip to the midsection. Lands one across the side of the head of Jeremy Cruz. Jeremy Cruz don't know where he is. Here he is, Ryan Reigns coming in for the first time. Grabbing hold of the Houston, but Houston out of the concrete. Jeremy Cruz. Ryan Reigns taking control. He grabs the Houston.
Yeah.
Shot across the forehead, arm up across the rub. Sidewalk slam by Ryan Reigns. Goes for the big 1, 2. Only a 2 count, and he is interfered with. Cruz breaks up 2 count. Thrown into the turn. David Coleman was on the edge of the apron. He ended up colliding into him. Cruz. Jeremy Cruz goes to the outside, trying to hold David Coleman. James Houston taking hold of the man, legal man in the ring, Ryan Reigns. Clothesline. Clothesline by James Houston. Holy cow, what's he gonna do? Throwing him into the chair. David Coleman's on the outside of the ring. The match is on the inside. Let's get the referee. Keep an eye on him out here. What's going on? These on the outside are not the legal men in the ring. These on the outside are not the legal men in the ring. Your legal men in the ring are right here. We've got James Houston. We've got his hands across the aisle. Ryan Reigns is down on the mat. What's going on? He's supposed to get close to taking this stuff outside.
When you go on past the tape.
Y'all want to see him go off the dock?
Referee call. We got James Houston in the match, and he's going over now.
Go! Go!
Holy cow! I do believe somebody's just really been loaded and loaded up. Slashed by James Houston